In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add timestamps, aka chapters, to your YouTube videos. But first, what are the benefits of doing this? Here is one of my YouTube videos. On the time bar that we have all of these chapters which are nicely split up for our viewers to quickly navigate. In the description that we have all the titles and the timestamps. Users can very quickly click on one of them and it will jump to that spot. If we head over to Google, here is a video I'm ranking number 1 on, and as you can see, I actually have this automatically expanded with all the chapters showing what's going on in the video. This is hugely beneficial because it helps my videos get ranked, and it also allows me to claim what I like to call Google real estate, which is more of an area which in turn captures my viewers' attention faster. So how do we do this? Let's head over to my screen and I'll show you. Here I am in the description of one of my YouTube videos, and if we scroll down in my description, you can see we have a timestamp and then a title to match that timestamp. Now that is all it actually takes to do timestamps or chapters. You place in the time it says in the video and then space, and then you just simply put in the title. But there are a few rules before you do that, so here is rule number 1. Rule number 1 is it needs to be 10 seconds apart. If you do it less than 10 seconds apart, it will not work. So make sure even if it's spot on 10 seconds, it's at least 10 seconds apart. Rule number 2, remember that Google and YouTube only want to show snippets of information. So if you create a title that's longer than, let's say, 4 words, you're really going to be damaging yourself and it's going to be cut off in the search results, for example here. And it's another opportunity to put in your keywords, but you need to make sure that the titles with the keywords in are actually related to that point in your video, because don't forget, YouTube now analyzes what you say in your video. So if there's no correlation between your title and what you're speaking or on those lines, YouTube ain't going to be happy and they're going to see you as manipulating the system, and guess what, your rankings will drop. So make sure it's relevant and you should be good. I do hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.